a super fast restring technique that I learned from Ian Dovlin. He works at Lark Street Music in New Jersey.
So you just pulled those through, wrapping them.
Yep, I wrap once around on the post, then I go over the string and under the string on the exit. On the unwound strings, I go 3 times around the post, over the string, and then under it. And I kink the string into the headstock, so I kink it in that way. It puts resistance out of the post so it won't unravel.
So you're kinking the excess inwards.
Yeah, exactly. So if you watch, I go, just pull it tight and then I go in. So on the bass side, I'm going to go in that way.
Right.
So
just opposite to where the string goes.
yeah, exactly. And then another little trick I do is there's a lot of slack on the post. If you want to come over here, so I'll take a pair of needle nose pliers and I'll tighten the string on the post. And get rid of any slack that's on there that can cause any tuning issues over time.
Wow.
I'll do that, and then I'll stretch the strings. I like to stretch them a little more evenly with the whole width of both of my hands. And I'll just kind of put pressure on it up and down the string like that, instead of just grabbing the string and doing that. So I really believe that putting one focal point on the string like that puts a stretch mark in it and can cause weird overtones sometimes and woof notes in your string. So then I'll tune it up. that would be my kind of typical speed on doing a restring, the strings alone, if I'm not cleaning the instrument and oiling the fingerboard and everything. But if you're a guitar tech and your guy's on stage and he needs that guitar for the next song, and you pop a string and you need to restring half the guitar or the whole guitar, and he needs that guitar for that next song on stage, it better be ready. And I've run into that situation a couple times, and you know, obviously you want to have all your stuff restrung beforehand, but if he broke a string and like a fresh set of strings on everything for the next song, you got to do it and you got to have it ready. And so I can do that restring in about 1.5 minutes if I have to. It's a little stressful, but I can get it done. So
Thanks, Ryan.
yeah, no problem.